Here's your shining city.
Not what I expected, that's for sure.
And the place is still humming, maintaining the air pressure for untold centuries.
When I was in ancient Atlantis, I heard rumblings about it, but I never saw it. So now we have our last spindle puzzle, but this time around, history book cannot help us for this. What we saw on that wall is our clue.
It's a stone disc with lunar images carved into it.
So let me take a look at my image again. So let's see, we got the full sun. Let me go over so I can see it at the same time. Okay, there we go. That'll be easier. So we got the full sun over on east. Take the full moon like that.
That didn't do anything.
That didn't do anything. Okay. It's...
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What did you do now, Lee?
I think I turned it on.
You see, Colonel? I told you Jones would be of some use to us.
Kerner, I knew I smelled a rat.
All I smell, Herr Jones, is your fear. Don't move.
Mein Gott, how beautiful! Congratulations, Dr. Jones. You've just handed the Third Reich its ultimate victory.
It'll take more than a few orichalcum bombs to conquer the world, Uberman.
Bombs? The gods don't need bombs.
Take a look around. What do you think this astonishing machinery was used for?
Well, that's a mystery we'll never unravel.
Wrong. As Plato himself well knew, this was a factory for manufacturing higher beings.
While you've been wandering around, we've been stockpiling orichalcum.
And now we have all we need. Are you ready for the greatest moment in history, Doctor?
You do understand that Plato wrote that script years after Atlantis sank.
I'll pass, thanks.
Scientific discoveries belong to the bold, Jones. That's something you, of all people, should understand.
Didn't you notice all those hideously deformed bones?
Experiments gone awry, unworthy slaves sacrificed in the name of knowledge. Progress has its price, you know.
Maybe they weren't quite human to begin with.
Inhuman or subhuman, they were destroyed by their physical imperfections as they bathed in the awesome power of this device.
Nazis,
We suffer from no such imperfection.
Nazis, the very end.
Do you really believe this machine still works?
Why not? Everything else we found here certainly does. Think of it. As a god, I shall know everything, be everywhere, rule everyone.
We both shall rule, Herr Doctor.
Eh? Don't be silly, Colonel. You're not prepared for this.
We shall see.
Swell. Send me a postcard from Valhalla.
One more step and you'll get there first.
You can't leave now. We're just beginning our experiment.
Don't let me stop you.
And we can't begin without a guinea pig, can we?
Go!
Now, if you'll kindly step onto the platform.
No!
What?
If anyone's going to become a god, it must be me.
You? Don't make me laugh.
I am in charge of this operation, you spineless sausage. Activate the machine.
A test is a test. Plato suggested 10B. Let's try that.
Wait.
What now, Charles?
You're making a big mistake, Kerner.
How so?
Again, Plato wrote those documents in 360 BC. You think he knew?
Most of Plato's numbers were way off target. Just a thought.
Just thought.
Maybe right. They should divide by 10. Try 1B.
1B it is. Himmel! It's working!
Well, if by working it turned into something that Theranos wouldn't like.
A small beat for a small man, eh, Jones? Now it's your turn.
Not a chance, cue ball.
Move, unless you want my men to move you.
Damn.
That's better.
What makes you think you can outdo the old kings?
Science, my boy. We have it and they didn't. Here goes.
Hang on a second. Let's talk this over.
There's no time. How many beads should be used?
Now, whatever I do, I cannot let him tell how many beats, so...
No beads, you crazy old man.
Come now, Doctor. Where's your scientific curiosity?
Here we go. For your sake, I hope this doesn't work.
For your sake, I hope this doesn't work.
Why not?
Once I'm a god, I'm sending you straight to hell.
I'm offering you immortality. Is that the thanks I get?
Ever heard the term the mistress of time? Wait until you see me.
You ever heard the term angry god? Wait till you see me.
Hang on. Perhaps I haven't thought this through. You want to go fast. You're scheming against me in spite of my generosity. Well, you won't get the upper hand that way. Stand aside, Jones.
Alright, if you insist.
98, 99, 100 B.
You think that's a little overkill?
Prepare to feel my wrath.
Cos
Indy,
Follow me, Sophia.
We're getting out of here.
Hurry.
Let's go, darling. And so, once again, Atlantis is lost forever.
You know, a lot of my discoveries seem like tall tales even to me. At least there's some evidence this time.
Then again, maybe not. What was that for?
To ease the pain.
And that's Indiana Jones and the Fate of Atlantis. If you want to play it, I can do like I did. It's on Steam for like $6. You don't have to track down the original version like I did. But you see, what quite an adventure. You have to really base your thinking cap, and yeah, you had to use a walkthrough to help me through it, but there you go. History has been restored. The Atlantis secret weapon has been destroyed. The Nazis' scheme has been fulfilled as history was told it was to be. And I gotta wear the fedora. I never thought I'd see a romantic view of the back of a Nazi sub, but what are you gonna do? Sophia will probably go on and tell about her stories of Atlantis. Mandindy will just acknowledge the fact he doesn't have a son. Yeah, that movie did not exist. They should have made the movie based on this instead. Game came out in 1992. George Lucas and Steven Spielberg had no excuse. They could have done this. I'm just saying. There's the moon. Showing that in fact it's about my time to leave this point in time. 1939 was wonderful. I never lived there. Just with all those that's starting to happen. I'll just leave that to Indy. George Lucas, Steven Spielberg, right there. And the all-new adventure. Perhaps as a younger man. Oh, the Young Indiana Jones Chronicles. And yes, and there's a shooting star. Now owned by Disney.